Do you want to 10x your revenue without adding a single person to your payroll? Imagine getting far more out of your existing marketing campaigns while automating tedious tasks and scaling your business, even if you're not tech savvy. That'd be useful, right? Well, today I'm revealing the AI automation secrets that are turning entrepreneurs like you into profit generating machines. If you're new here, I'm Ben Angel and I share cutting edge AI strategies on my marketing blog and in my new book, The Wolf is at the Door. If you want to implement everything we're covering in this video, grab the free resources from the link below. Today I'm sharing AI marketing automations that can save you up to 3 days a week and skyrocket your revenue. We're talking content research, conversions, lead generation, and sales automation. Ready? Step 1. Content research that actually works. Content research is essential, but it can be a time drain. I've written 8 books. I know the struggle of trying to come up with compelling ideas on a time crunch. AI is great, but the problem is most AI generated content is bland. Generic won't cut it. So how do you get smarter? NoteGPT gives you a competitive edge. Instead of guessing, you analyze proven top performing videos in your niche. You see exactly what's working right now, get fresh ideas, and quickly brainstorm with its built-in mind map and summary highlights. This is going to save you hours of research. You can do this in 3 simple steps. 1. Find 3 trending videos. 2. Use NoteGPT to extract key insights to uncover what's resonating with people. 3. Organize those insights. I use a Google Doc. Next, you're going to feed those insights into another free AI tool called Perplexity. It digs deeper, showing you the sources behind the information that was shared, uncovering hidden angles that your competitors may have missed. Remember, always cite your sources. It builds trust. And add your own expertise to the mix. That's what makes it unique, which is going to be vital as the web gets flooded with generic AI generated content. Hit the link below for the full breakdown on how to use this method. Next up, we have step 2, boost conversions with AI chatbots. If you're a small business owner, you don't have time to manually manage all the prospects in your funnel, right? That's where chatbots can help. A Glass 6 study showed that AI chatbots boost conversion rates by 23% and resolve issues 18% faster with 71% success. That's huge, right? While you've got many options, one chatbot that caught my attention is called Lero AI. This conversational chatbot can handle up to 70% of prospects' inquiries without human intervention. And don't worry, it's affordable. It's also not the only option. Here's what you're going to need to set up an AI chatbot. A document with frequently asked questions from your prospects, documentation on your products or services, including pricing, delivery details, and URLs. Any chatbot you set up will need a basic knowledge base to pull from. The interactions your prospects have with your chatbot are a goldmine of data. You can use that info to recognize trends and tweak your offers and content to be even more targeted. Whether you choose Lero or opt for Zapier, I've got all of the details in this week's free guide to help make it even easier. Step 3, automate lead generation. I think we can both agree that leads are the lifeblood of any business. Without a steady flow, growth stalls. But let's be real, finding quality leads and outreach is time consuming. That's where you can use a tool like Instantly. Instantly helps you turn cold outreach into a streamlined automated system. It's designed to identify warm leads, boost your email deliverability, and manage conversations across multiple inboxes all in one place, with the bonus of campaign analytics. You're not just sending more emails, your goal is closing more deals. It's like having a full-time sales team without paying for one. Step 4, sales automation that works. For this, you're going to need a solid CRM. I personally use Kajabi, but any CRM will do as long as it fits your needs and your budget. One thing you may have noticed recently is that most CRMs have introduced AI helpers to write your email marketing campaigns. Sounds great, right? But here's the thing, I don't recommend using them. These AI generators aren't conversational and they don't factor in your past successes, like which campaigns converted and which subject lines worked. Instead, here's what I've done to triple my sales in the past few months. I feed an AI model, like Google's AI Studio, which is free, with the stats from the past 6 months of my emails. I tell it to act like a top 1% marketing analyst and uncover insights 99% of marketers would miss. Here's how you're going to do this. You're going to copy and paste your subject lines, click-through rates, and sales data from the past 6 months into the AI. Don't worry if it's a bit messy. Next, you'll get the AI to analyze the data and identify what's working by using this prompt on the screen. Use those insights that you extract from it to craft future campaigns that hit the mark every single time. Trust me when I say, the insights that you'll extract from this simple process can be leveraged to align all of your marketing messages from your email to your landing page and, most importantly, your order forms. The prompts and the step-by-step breakdown are in this week's free guide. The beauty of AI marketing automation isn't just in the individual tools, it's in how they all work together. The more you use these tools, the smarter they get and the more time you'll save. Take these 4 steps today, and if you want the full breakdown on each one and how to implement them, hit the link because I've got detailed guides for each, and I'll also shoot you over 2 free chapters from my brand new AI book, The Wolf is at the Door. So you've got everything you need to make this year your most profitable yet.